How about winning prizes for learning how to trade crypto? So Gate.io is bringing another explosive bonus to its users. So it's a win-win situation. You learn how to trade crypto and you get rewarded for that. So do you want to get all your questions on Gate.io platform answered? Do you want to win prizes to learn about how to trade crypto? Do you trade sports but you are curious to learn about other choices like margin trading, futures, or ETFs or exchange traded funds? Then you have the opportunity to ask questions about the platform and Gate.io. Then take an optional quiz at the end to win cryptocurrency rewards. Oh my God. So Gate.io is coming up with this new idea where you have to win prizes after going through their workshop. All right. So the link to go through Gate.io workshop is in the decision box below. Also, the link to participate in the quiz is in the decision box below. Do well to win yourself awesome rewards for learning crypto and you answer the questions that comes after that. So once you finish watching the video, you get more insights. Don't go into trading just for the sake of it. Make sure you understand the technicalities behind it, else you keep losing money. So Gate.io is trying to make the whole journey easier for its users. How about that? Click the link in the description box below to watch the Gate.io workshop so you learn how to use the Gate.io platform. Also, after learning, you can now participate in the quiz. Hope you got value in this video. Go ahead to support this channel by smashing the subscribe button right away. Also, like and share this video. If you have any question, drop it in the comment section below. Trade responsibly. Peace out.